Okay, good morning children. Today I am going to explain exercise 3 in mental maths. See the first problem. 948 plus 32 minus 80 is equal to dash tens. See, first we have to read this problem. 948 plus 32 minus 80 is equal to 50 tens. So you have to add 948 and 32. See, it is 10, 8, 9. After that we have to subtract 80 from 980. Subtract it. See, 0, 0, 9. And but here they did not ask directly. They are asking in the answer is in tens. Okay, here you write this 900 as 90 into 10. That is a 90 tens. Answer is 90. Here they are asking question in tens. How many tens? It is 90 tens. See the second problem. 64 into 25. You did so many problems this model. You write 25 as 100 by 4, 100 by 4. Okay na? So you have to cancel 64 with 4. 4 ones are 4. And you have to subtract 4 ones, 4 in mind, 4 from 6. The remaining is 2, it is 24. Okay na? So 24, how many times will go in 4 table? 6 times. That is 16 into 100, that is equal to 1600. So these are short divisions. Everybody should practice those. 1600 plus 12 tens plus 5. 1600, we have to, here H denotes 100, T denotes 10 sum. 1600 already you know how to write that 1600. 1600 plus 12 tens are 120 plus 1. We should add. So in units place we have to start with units place. 5 plus 0, 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. We have to write in units place. And here no tens place 2 and 0 you should add to get 2 only. And hundreds place here 1 and here 6, 7. In thousands place only 1 is there. See the fourth problem. Rearrange in descending order. Rearrange in descending order. In descending order. See what is the what numbers they given here? 8095, 8059, 8905, 8905, 8950, 8950, and next 8509. Already you know descending number is big to small. Among all those numbers, first you have to write down big number. See what is the biggest number in that? What is the biggest number in that? 8950. And next one is 8905. And next one is 8509. And next one is 8095. And the last one is 8059. That is the descending order. And see the fifth problem. Ajay bought 750 apples. 750 apples. Ajay bought 750 apples. He gave 150 apples to Vijay. 115 apples to Vijay. Okay, full stop. How many apples were left? How many apples were left? How many apples were left? Okay, see, first you have to read the problem. Here Ajay bought 750 apples. So he had 750 apples. In that 750 he gave to his friend Vijay 115 apples. How many apples were left? See, you have to do subtraction to get the remaining apples with Ajay. So number of apples Ajay bought. Number of apples Ajay bought. Pills Ajay bought. Okay. How many he bought, Nana? See, 750 apples. Number of apples gave to Vijay. How many he gave to Vijay? 150. So after given the apples to Vijay, how many apples left with him? They are asking. Number of apples left with Ajay. Okay. See how to do subtraction. 750 minus 150. So 10 minus 5, that is 5. And you took borrow here, it is 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 7 minus 1, 635 apples with him. See the next problem. Sixth problem. 7 meters 48 centimeters is equal to dash centimeters. Already you know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Here they are asking to convert this total into centimeters. Here it is in the centimeters, but it is in the meters. You have to convert that into centimeters. 7 meters equal to 7 into 100 centimeters, that is 700 centimeters. Now you have to write 7 meters 48 centimeters is equal to 700 plus 48, that is 748 centimeters. Okay. See the next problem. Seventh problem. Eighth problem. Sorry, seventh problem. See, 2598 pies is equal to rupees. They are asking. They are asking to write that into rupees. Already you know 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. 100 pies. You have to convert this into rupees. It is 25 rupees 98 pies. Okay. In 2598, how many hundreds here? 25 hundreds. We have to write that into rupees form, and the remaining what value is there, you have to write in the pies place. Okay. See the eighth problem. 100 more than the place value of 9, more than the place value of 9 in 7948. Here they are asking to find the problem here. 100 more than the place value of 9 here. See, first of all you have to write down the place value of 9. Place value of 9 in 7948 is 900. More than 900, that 100 more than 900 number they are asking. 100 more than 900. 100 more than 900 is 900 plus 100. That is equal to 1000. See the next problem, ninth problem. Fill in the blanks. With the missing numbers. Okay. See here they given 96, 108, 120, dash comma 156. Okay. See, observe these two numbers. So how to get the successive number? By adding 12 to the preceding number. Preceding means before. So to get 108. And here also you should add 12 to get the next one. And next add 12 to 120 to get the next one. And here also add 12. So 144. And next they are asking to complete the magic square here. See the magic square. So already you know how to do this magic square, how to fill that, how to complete that magic square. See 8, 10, 12, 13. Okay, 30. See, you fill this magic, complete magic square means when you add horizontally or vertically or diagonally to get the same sum. See here the boxes are filled with diagonal shape. So add those 8 plus 10 plus 12, that is 30. Okay. See, one by one you are going to fill here 12 plus 13, 25. So how much to add to become it as 35? See this one 10 plus 5, 15. How much you should add 15 to make it as 30? 15. See this is 8 plus 15, 23. How much you should add 23 to make it as 7. Okay. See 7 plus 12, 19. How much should add to 19 to become as 30? 11. See this is 10 plus 11, 21. How much you should add to become it is 39. Okay. That is the completed magic square. So today's class completed. I will send notes through WhatsApp. You have to write notes carefully, and homework also I will send. We have to do. We have to complete that homework. Don't escape that work. Okay. Bye, Nana.